Let's be honest, if you just want to sell a product or two from your WordPress site, WooCommerce is overkill. With Formidable Forms Lite, which is completely free, you can have a working product page that takes real payments in under 3 minutes. Let me show you. First, install Formidable Forms from the WordPress plugin directory. Now click on Forms and create a blank form. Before you can use the pricing fields, you first need to set up a payment gateway. You can choose between Stripe and Square. Let's set up a test Stripe connection. Great! Now go back to your form and add a product, quantity, and total field. The product field is where you add your product name and set the price. You can choose between a drop-down, radio buttons, checkboxes, or just a single product. Once you built your form head into settings, give it a name. Then click on Actions and Notifications and add a payment action. Set the amount field to the total field in your form and select your chosen payment gateway. Let's test it out. As I said earlier, no monthly fees. You only pay a 3% transaction fee plus standard Stripe processing, and only when you make a sale. When you're ready to grow, you can upgrade to a paid plan at any time to remove the transaction fee. You can also change the confirmation message, add email notifications, and update the submit button to say something like Order Now. If you want product images, user-defined products, coupon codes, and accept PayPal, upgrade to Formidable Forms Pro anytime. But to get started, you don't need to spend a dime. Try it today, or learn more by clicking the link in the description.